Hey guys, this is your trusted weather what do I do forecast. And today we're going to be talking about what you should do in a tornado. This will be very broad and I'm only going to scratch the surface of what you should do, but this video should provide you with the basics of what you should do in a tornado situation. Before you watch this video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. 85% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed, so please subscribe if you like weather-related content and hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss an upload. Let's get right into it by talking about warnings and how you should get them. You should have numerous ways to receive warnings in the event that one fails. For example, your cell phone, your NOAA weather radio if you have one. Both are good, reliable methods. However, one of those methods can fail and you're going to need backup methods to get your information. So now, what's the difference between a watch and a warning? A watch. Tornadoes are possible in the near future. Be ready to take precautions and shelter. Tornado watches vary in different categories, I guess, different probabilities. The Storm Prediction Center usually issues probabilities ranging from like moderate, high, low, very low in their watches. And typically, moderate for tornadoes is required for a tornado watch to be issued. And that means there is a good chance that a couple tornadoes are possible within the watch area. Now, a warning, if a tornado warning is issued, there is a tornado threat happening right now, and you need to seek shelter immediately. There usually isn't much time to grab your belongings, so grab only essential items unless the tornado is right above you or right outside you. But otherwise, you need to get to your shelter fast and as fast as possible, really. Tornadoes are a very dangerous thing and they kill dozens per year because people don't take precautions, they don't take shelter, or they don't have the available shelter to them, and they have no choice but to perish in the tornado. There are also different types of warnings. Tags like radar indicated means the weather radar, has indicated that a tornado may be on the ground. The observed tag means a tornado has been observed and is confirmed to be on the ground. And a PDS tornado warning means particularly dangerous situation, meaning a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. And typically, those kind of situations are sometimes life or death situations, and those tornadoes are usually the ones that are highly rated EF2+. There are also tornado emergencies, where a large destructive tornado strikes a good-sized city or town where hundreds of lives are at risk, if not thousands, and you need to take shelter immediately. Where do you go? First of all, never take cover under overpasses. That's the absolute worst thing you can do in any kind of tornado situation. Hiding under overpasses will only create stronger winds if the tornado nears, and you'll get sucked right out of it. The first stage, mobile homes and outside. You really never want to be in a mobile home or outdoors during a tornado warning, so if you are in a mobile home, it's sometimes best for you, depending on where the tornado is located or if it is observed, that you get out of your mobile home, go somewhere safer, like find a neighbor's house who has a basement, just anywhere better than a mobile home. If you even have to, go to your car and drive away. Sometimes that is the best of the situation, but in other cases it might even just be better to stay put. And never be outside. If you are caught outside in a tornado warning, you want to hide in a ditch as low as possible to the ground. But in general, you don't want to be outside in a tornado warning. Your chance for death is really high in the event that a strong tornado actually hits you. Your second best options are bathrooms and interior closets that don't have windows. You never want to be in a room with windows. You want to be in a room without windows, and those usually protect you the most from tornadoes, especially interior rooms. You want to get in a room that's most central to your house, not high up, but low to the ground. This is if you do not have a basement, where bathrooms and interior closets are your second best choice. One of the best things you can do, go to your basement, go to your storm cellar if you have one. Most people have basements, not everybody, which is why this is the second best option. But basements usually save lives, storm cellars save even more lives. So if you have a basement storm cellar, go right down there, no questioning. What do you do after a tornado? Wait until the warning expires or is canceled before you leave your shelter. And when you do exit your shelter, carefully exit, because in the event a tornado actually struck your home, there will be debris. Well, there may be debris inside your home, and your house might be gone. But the most important thing in these kind of situations are your life. Your life is your most important thing in a tornado warning. Not your home, not your pets, your life, even though pets are important. And avoid debris and down power lines. And if you are trapped by debris and down power lines, there will be someone looking for you. Emergency services know there is a tornado, and they will be on scene as quick as they possibly can. And to not rush them. But if you aren't fully trapped and you have access to a phone, you can attempt to call 911, tell them your location, and they'll let the firefighters know that there's someone in that debris and they're going to come rescue you. That's the basics of what you should do in a tornado. Like this video, subscribe, leave a comment if you want, share this with your friends and family so they know what to do in a tornado, as we are starting to dig ourselves deeper into tornado season. I will make a hurricane edition when hurricane season does actually come around. So, see you in the next one.